Welcome to the SEBS Open House. In this section, you will have an opportunity to learn more about the Rutgers Honors College. The mission of the Honors College is curiosity, knowledge, purpose. This is a place where meaningful innovation is born out of collaboration between students and faculty from across the liberal arts and professional schools. This is also a place founded on the notion of doing well by doing good. It's at our core.
Want to be a doctor? Great. You want to go to Wall Street? No problem. But at a certain point, you have to ask yourself, is that all? The Rutgers Honors College motto is curiosity, knowledge, purpose. We take 500 undergraduate students from all disciplines and we put them under one roof to tackle global issues. We live together, we work together, we play together, and we create the ideas that will change the world. What we really want is for them to have a career and a life with purpose.
The Rutgers Honors College is a really special place. You're working, you're living, you're eating, you're part of something bigger here. After the Honors College experience, I feel like I want to take a more holistic approach to medicine and to science. My world has been expanded, and you really realize that service and helping our community is a really big aspect of why we're here. If we don't do it, who else will?
The Honors College is comprised of 6 different divisions. These divisions include Academic and Administrative Deans, Academic Affairs and Professional Development, Academic Advising, Student Affairs, Recruitment and Admissions, Business and Administration, and Communications. What makes the Honors College different is that we offer one centralized location where students can have all of their needs met. The deans, academic advising team, student affairs, communications all reside in one shared space that is accessible to students. There is also a residency requirement where all first-year Honors College students reside in the first-year residence hall on College Avenue campus. A unique feature of the Honors College is that students also remain with the same academic advisor for all 4 years that they are enrolled as an Honors College student. As a SEBS student enrolled in the Honors College, students are required to take the 3-credit Honors College Forum, 1-credit Burn Seminar, 11 credits of Honors Tutorial Work, 6 credits of the Senior Year Capstone, 2 interdisciplinary Honors Seminars that can be 3 or 4 credits, and 30 hours of approved service. In addition, students are also required to complete their major-minor requirements and their SEBS core requirements. In addition to completing the Honors College curriculum and school-based requirements, students in the Honors College are also able to engage in a number of opportunities that will inform both their professional and academic careers. For more information, visit the Honors College website. We are also accessible via phone and email. Thank you for listening and enjoy the rest of your day.